everyone. My niece that lives down the road, 3 houses, she got COVID, so I can't go to my parents anytime soon. So I'm gonna make a project here, and then when I know I'm in the clear, or I get COVID again and let it play the process and I go back to my folks to the property, I'm gonna have this. It's hard to see. I took a transparency paper and a flashlight and traced a Bigfoot onto this piece of plywood that I got for free from a place that builds like sheds and pump houses, things like that. They have a free piling, so I got this for free. But this way, when I'm working on the property, I'll have a friend to talk to, and he won't talk back or argue. But I do need help giving him a name. Some of my friends have suggested Woody, T-Jack, Harry. I want something unique that's not named after one on TV already. But just this way, I'm not alone when I'm talking to myself in the woods. I'll have this dude to talk to, so I'd love some help with names. But now, like I'm outlined, I'm gonna try and cut them out with what I have here, and let's see if it works. If you're wondering what these are, I'm gonna keep those part of it so I could stick it in the dirt when he's all done. And if you're wondering how to do this, all I did was I printed this off on my computer. I do screen print, so I already had clear transparencies. And there were ideas online like how to do shadow boxes. I tried a couple, they sucked. All I did was take this, a make flashlight, and I took a bamboo stick from the garden, gave it the perfect space with just a regular flashlight on my office chair. Looked at this and was able to trace that, no problem. So try that before you try and make shadow boxes. I mean, some of them online, they do work. But again, a flashlight with a stick and the transparency, or you could cut it out on black paper and trace it, works perfect. So now I'm going to get to trying cutting out this view. So let's get to it. So I don't blitz your head. What I'm doing right now, I'm cutting off the excess pieces around him before I break out this one to do the finer detail. That's just my method to my madness for now. Too close, but I didn't mess it up yet. I don't like that part. Traded a lot. Good thing it's only going to get a steak. that part doesn't need to be pretty, so that part's gonna go in the dirt. So now I'm gonna switch saws. I'm kind of worried about this right here. Being that this is the side that's printed on that they used, I ideally want to burn the back side with a little propane torch, and you won't see it. That part will get cut out. So it's okay if this side isn't as pretty. But I don't want to really F it up. Before I put the battery on the charger, I made a couple more cuts. I had to change the blade on this. The one that's in now is called the Ugly. It's for wood. My husband only has 2 blades left. This one, and there's another one that's for wood. But I wanted to try this one because it looks beefier. So wish me luck, and hopefully I don't screw this up. More weight. It's actually a nice smooth part right out of this. So now I'm just going to chunk off. Shakes like that. Oh, it's looking so far. Enough right there. For a while, I can tell. Towards my buddy, not my body. Probably a quarter of the way done so far. I got so far. Let me move the camera. Now it's time to give him some personality. Give him a paint job, but not with paint. went around the edge to give it a little black outline. I really didn't think he'd turn out so good, and especially as quick as I did him, and I knew it took a while to cut around him. And when I go back, I'll check at the building place, see if they have any more plywood. And then I can make him either kids, or he could be a kid. If they have bigger ones, then I'll make a bigger one. But that way I could have more than one person to talk to. And then when you watch my videos from now on, you could be like, I saw a Bigfoot today, or a little Bigfoot. Let's say he turned out pretty good. Just traced him, cut him, and burned him. But yes, please help me think of a name for my new buddy. And who knows what I'll make next. Don't know if it'll be as good as him though. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all of you.